2022, I traveled the Guajira with my husband Boris and your friends. I did not want to go to the Cabo de la Vela because I was afraid. I used to know that this place was very dangerous. Finally, we traveled to Guajira. We traveled in the car of Boris' friends, Wilberto and Alexa. As soon as dawn, we arrived tired at night at Maicao. The next morning, we went to visit the mosques in Maicao. Then we went to have lunch at an Arab food restaurant. The second day, we traveled a Cabo de la Vela. To go there, we have to go to Manaure. When I arrived in Manaure, I felt a mixture of emotions, joy and surprise. I never got tired of looking at the beauty of that sea. Before we went to Cabo de la Vela, we had to take a special transport to get there. We arrived at Cabo de la Vela, and there I walked and ran happily through for the desert called the dunas. I was happy here because I had never seen a big desert facing the sea. To end my trip, we went to Camarones, a small and magic place. There we went to see pink flamingos. While we were taking lunch, some Wayuu community children arrived to use some handicrafts. To travel, I used to carry a suitcase full of many things. This time I didn't. I let myself be touched by the adventure, and it was fantastic. Some friends asked me, "Did you feel that the trip was dangerous?" And I answered, "No, the trip was wonderful."